Hello, I am Angelo Russica, responsible of Milan Fashion Campus. I am here this time to introduce you Milan Fashion Campus. Many people, they are asking us who is the responsible of Milan Fashion Campus. I am the responsible. And so now I will introduce a little bit about me, okay? My history. I started to work in this field after the schools that I held here in Milano. I started to work in a design studio where also I met Domenico and Stefano Dolce Gabbana. It was Giorgio Correggiari, a style office. After this, I went to work for a company who was doing men's fashion, Barbas. After this experience of men's fashion, I went to work for Gianni Versace for 4 years, where I was inside in the design studio. It was one of the most exciting experiences, as you can understand, working with one of the best designers in the history. After this experience, I went to Spain to work for a big department store, El Corte Inglés. Coming back to Italy, I opened my own design studio where I was giving consulting to different companies like Gruppo Max Mara, Marzotto, a Japanese company like Word, the German companies, Chinese companies, a lot of companies. Okay. After this experience, I started my own business with the first Italian online fashion styling school. That was Milan Fashion Campus online courses. We was selling before only online courses, and it was the first Italian school with online courses. We still sell our online courses because we give the possibility to people from all over the world to discover how we do this work here in Italy without spending a huge of money, okay? And also remember, we have a special offer. Everyone who's purchasing an online course, fashion design or fashion styling course, and then he decides to come here to Italy, we always discount the money that he has spent for the online course, okay? You buy the course, you decide to come to Italy, we discount you the amount of this course. Okay, and now let's see what type of courses we have. As you know, we have fashion design courses. That means women's fashion design, men's fashion design, bridal wear, lingerie, accessory fashion design, and of course we have also collection design. That in this case we combine fabrics with the design. It's not only the mission to make nice designs, but you have to be able to create collections. So you have to combine fabric and your idea, the design. After, we have also very interesting course is the trend forecasting course. It's analyzing and then forecasting new trends, okay? It's very important for the designers. And then we have also the fashion portfolio course, okay? And as you know, we have also fashion styling course. We have women's fashion styling and men's fashion styling. Women's fashion styling, we have the duration is 1 week, 2 weeks, and 3 weeks. And we have also a combination course where you will have fashion styling 2 weeks and 1 week fashion shooting, where you will be the stylist, the editor of your own shooting. You will have 1 week to prepare to make a concept of the shooting. You will be the person who will select the model. You will talk with the photographer, with the makeup artist, and then we will go to the studio and then we will shoot your concept, okay? Of course, you will be not the model. Someone else will be the model, the one that you choose. And yes, let's see what we have also. We have also the Master Fashion Combination course that I will talk about this course later, okay? Many people, they ask us, what will I learn during these short-term courses? You will learn a lot because here we have in one class only 12 students. That means the teacher will stay with you every 5-10 minutes, okay? It's not like other schools where there are 20 students and the teacher has during 2.5 hours 5 minutes for you, okay? Here we follow you step by step, very near. And so that means 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the afternoon, from Monday to Thursday. It's a full immersion of work, okay? And in the what I have to tell you more, of course, if you are a beginner also, there is no problem, because we will teach you starting from zero. In the design courses, of course, you will learn, you will improve a lot in the hands drawing skill, but also in the use of softwares like Photoshop and Illustrators. And in the fashion and styling course, you will become more fashion conscious, because fashion styling, it's as you know, it's coordination of styles, understanding the different fashion styles. It gives you the possibility to work for fashion magazines, but the fashion stylist can be also a personal fashion stylist who can help other people to build the wardrobe, okay? Fashion styling course, I think it's one of the best course. Sometimes people are asking me, Angelo, how would you start? My suggestion is always to make at least a 2 weeks fashion styling course to understand the basic of fashion, and then if you are also interested in fashion design, to switch in the fashion design course. Many people are asking us after these short-term courses if they can start to work. Have a look in our website. Several of our students, they started their own brands or they work for other companies. In any case, the short courses are high-level courses here at Milan Fashion Campus. Because as I told you before, we have not more than 12 students in our classes. So that means also the teacher can follow our students from very near, okay? We have 3 hours in the morning and 3 hours in the afternoon class. And so it's quite hard to work here, okay? In short time, you can improve a lot. Of course, it depends on you. We have classes from Monday to Thursday. So that means during the weekend, you can have a trip to Venice, to Florence. We have even students that are traveling to other cities here in Europe. They go to France, Paris, they go to Switzerland. And it's a good mix, okay? In a short time, high level, high standard courses, okay? In design, of course, in the design courses, you will improve the hands drawing, okay? You will improve the skills with the computer, Photoshop and Illustrator also, okay? In styling, in the styling courses, you will become more fashion conscious. You will have all the updates, trends from Italy. And many students, they finished our fashion styling course. They completed perhaps their study with other experience, but they started to open their own consulting office where they help other people to work. They give consulting, and it's everything started through our courses. You have the possibility to combine different courses, okay? For example, you want to do 1 month bridal design and then another month you want to do lingerie design, or there is no problem, or you can add 1 more month. You can organize your package, okay? Many people are asking us, are you giving homeworks? Yes, it depends on how long is your duration here in Italy. If you stay for more time with us, of course, we will give you the homework, okay? If you stay here for a short time, we try to give you not so much homework, okay? But we give also homeworks, okay? And many people are asking us, have you also longer courses? Yes, we have longer courses. I was talking this in another video. We have the Master Fashion Combination course. That is the best solution for people who want to really improve and step in a professional way in this world of fashion. The Master Combination course, it's a combination of different courses, okay? That means fashion styling course, fashion trend forecasting, and then the part of fashion design, okay? 2 weeks fashion, 2 weeks fashion trend forecasting, and 4 weeks women's wear design course, and 4 weeks collection design, and at the end also the portfolio. Have a look please in our website if you want to do a more complete program, okay? The Master Fashion Combination course is a good solution, okay? And of course it's also a life experience. It's to stay abroad, it's to stay here in Milano, in the world fashion capital, for 4 months, and it's an exciting experience, of course, here in Italy. Believe me, all the people who come here, they are in love with Milano. And let's see what other questions we have also here. Yes, they are asking us, you have only design courses or styling courses? We are starting to have also new courses. We have fashion marketing courses, and we have also fashion buying short courses, okay? Please keep in touch with us. We are working in these new projects, okay? They will be always short courses and crash courses where you will go away from here with a lot of information, okay? Fashion marketing and Italian fashion buying course, okay? If you are interested to buy Italian fashion here in Italy, we tell you how to do it, okay? Okay. Okay, many people are asking us also, when can I apply? You can apply anytime, okay? How to apply? You have to download our application form. You have to think a little bit. You have to write inside, okay? I don't want that people apply through the computer. I want that the people print out, think, write, and so they can understand what they are doing, okay? Because sometimes digitally everything is going too fast, okay? You print out our application form and you write it, and then you scan it or you take a picture, and then you send this application to us. Where can I find the prices of the courses? Yes, you can. Each course has his own dedicated website, but all the prices, you can find them inside the application form, okay? What are the language that we are using here in Milan Fashion Campus? As you can see, English, but also Spanish, porque aquí también hablamos castellano. No hay ningún problema para hablar castellano. Los documentos son en inglés, okay? And what the students has to bring before they come here to Milano? They have to bring their laptop, the laptop with installed Photoshop, okay? And all the rest, it's okay. All the rest we will teach you here, okay? If you are a beginner, yes, if you are a beginner, you can start also here. It's no problem. Many young people came here, started as beginner, and now they are doing more long-term courses in other schools, okay? And they applied here, we teach them, and then they, since they are young, they went in other schools where they stay there for 2, 3, 4 years, okay? And that's a very good start also here with Milan Fashion Campus, okay? What is the minimum age and the maximum age? The minimum age here in Milan Fashion Campus is 18. You know why? Because if you are not 18, you will not even find a room here in Milano. Even hotels, they will give you a room, okay? In any case, we can accept someone who is younger than 18, but we are not responsible of all the rest, okay? If you are 17, you can come here to Italy, but your mother, your father, or someone else has to take you from the school here, okay? Maximum age, yes, we had sometimes students also, not so young students, okay? And every time we have to understand if it's possible or not, okay? Of course, you have to be able to move a mouse, okay? To use the computer, okay? Because it's important in our days. What is the average? Yes, okay. From which countries the students are arriving? Believe me, the students are coming from all over the world, okay? From Latin America, from North Europe, from Asian countries, Arabic countries, because fashion is for everyone, okay? Fashion is for everyone, okay? And Italy is the right place to study and to learn about fashion. Can I apply for a scholarship? Since we are a private fashion school, we don't have scholarship, but we can talk with you for a small discount, okay? How can I pay the course? Okay, you have to pay the course in advance, okay? We will send you all the bank information, okay? And you have to make a bank transfer, okay? If you need a visa to come to Italy, it depends the origin of your country, okay? If you are in Europe, there is no problem. But if you are coming from India or from other countries, of course, contact the Italian embassy in your country. Normally, if you don't stay here for more than 3 months, you can come as tourist. But please ask the Italian embassy in your country. If you need an invitation letter, we will ask you 500 euro, but there will be no refund, okay? 500 euro for the invitation letter, because sometimes people, they want only to come to here to Italy and they don't want to make the course, and so we decide to ask 500 euro, so the people have to think about it if they really want to lose this 500 euro, okay? Minimum hours to attend and receive the certificate, as I was telling you before. If you come and you don't come to school, of course you will not receive the certificate. The value of our certificate, it's a value of a private fashion school here in Italy, okay? If you want to go to university, don't come to Milan Fashion Campus, go take 3-4 years and go to a university. So after you will receive a degree. But of course, Milan Fashion Campus, with short courses, we don't give degree, because as you can understand, this is why we have university here, okay? But university is not always, fashion and university is not so always easy to get in here in Italy, okay? Can I start to work after participating in the courses? Yes, you can start to work after the participating of our courses. It depends on you. If you was here, listen well and doing well, everyone has after the possibility start to work. Go to our website where you can see what happened to our ex-students, okay? Are there special courses during the year? Yes, we have special courses during the year. We have the Fashion Week experience during the Milan Fashion Week in September and February, okay? We have also a special course for men's fashion styling during BT Uomo, the most important exhibition for men's fashion held here in Italy. So follow our website and you will see that we will always create new courses during special period here in Milano, in Italy. So it's nice to make experience in fashion. It's nice to improve your skills, but it's nice to come here in Italy and live your Italian fashion experience. I hope to see you here in Milano. If you have other questions, please send us your questions through the email. Thank you.